Hey, this is Richard Webster with Kriete Truck Centers in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to show you this 2021 Freightliner Cascadia. This truck is equipped with a 425 horsepower Detroit DD15 engine and a DT12 12-speed automated transmission, delivering power and efficiency for long hauls. A few key features include a 70-inch high-rise sleeper providing comfort on the road, air rear suspension for smoother ride and better load handling, aluminum wheels, and 295/75R 22.5 tires for durability and fuel efficiency. Black exterior giving you a sleek, professional look. Visit KrieteTrucks.com or call me 920-883-0960.